Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Arabic ebook before it's gone.
أهلاً, welcome. أهلاً, welcome. For example, you can say أهلاً, إزيك. Hi, welcome. How are you? It's so easy. شكراً, thank you. شكراً, thank you. For example, شكراً على الدعوة. Thank you for the invitation. جميل, nice or beautiful. جميل. It means nice or beautiful. For example, you can say بيتهم شكله جميل. Their house is very nice. Or you can say البنت دي جميلة. This girl is very beautiful. عيد ميلادك إمتى? When is your birthday? The fourth question someone might ask you is عيد ميلادك إمتى? When is your birthday? For example, someone will ask me, I'm a female, so they will ask me عيد ميلادك إمتى? And I will answer عيد ميلادي في يونيو. My birthday is in June. ساكن فين? Where do you live? Another question someone might ask you is ساكن فين? Where do you live? And you might answer specifically your street name or the city where you live. So for example, you can say أنا ساكن في المهندسين. I live in مهندسين, which is a district in Egypt, in Cairo. بتشتغل فين? Where do you work? Another question someone will ask you is بتشتغل فين? Where do you work? And here you can say your workplace, your company's name, and so on. So for example, I will say بشتغل في شركة أدوية. I work for a drug company. تليفونك كام? What's your phone number? Another question is نمرتك كام? Which means what's your phone number? And here you can just say your phone number. نمرتي is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. كان عندك حق. You were right. The next one is what everyone would like to hear sometimes is كان معك حق. You were right. And usually if you remember from previous lessons, we learned the word مش قلت لك كده? Didn't I tell you so? And usually you would respond or answer أيوة كان معك حق. Yes, you were right. جبت حاجة عشانك. I bought you something special. And the next one is what every girl likes to hear. جبت حاجة عشانك. جبت لك حاجة. I bought you something special. If someone says that to me, I'll be like, oh, even if it's too small, like, yeah, I don't know. I'll buy them something like a photo frame or something like that. And then maybe I will print some photos of us and do some origami and decorate it so it's personalized. Because I think personalized gifts, even if it's not so expensive or, I don't know, if you put your own touch, the gift will be really valued. But it's not going to be like a necklace or anything, like you can just easily lose it or something like that. رحت مصر قبل كده? Have you been to Egypt? The next question is رحت مصر قبل كده? Have you ever been to Egypt? And here you can say أيوة, yes, or لأ, no. ماشي, okay. ماشي, okay. It means okay. For example, you can say ماشي, تعال نتقابل الساعة 7. Which means, okay, let's meet at 7 o'clock. And fun fact, usually young people in Egypt don't just use the word ماشي, but they also use the word قشطة. It means cream, but we also use it as a word ماشي. And you can use this word to sound a little more native-like, or if you have lots of Egyptian friends, you will find them using it a lot. عفواً, you're welcome. عفواً, you're welcome. So from the beginning, شكراً على الهدية. Thank you for the present. And you reply, عفواً, you're welcome. نعم, yes. نعم, which means yes. So for example, you can say, هل تريد قهوة? Do you want coffee? And you reply with نعم, yes. And you can also add من فضلك, من فضلك, please. لا, no. The opposite of it, لا, لا, which means no. So one more. هل تريد قهوة? Do you want coffee?
no, لا. And you can say شكرا, thank you. حسنا, okay. حسنا, okay. فلنذهب إلى الحديقة. Let's go to the park. And you say حسنا, حسنا, okay. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and please subscribe and comment below about your favorite Arabic phrase. Goodbye. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Okay.